Hey traders, this is Steve Miley, the market chartist for FX Explained, and here we're looking at the S&P 500 E-mini future on the June contract in here. Well, a sturdy rebound in here at the end of last week and again to start this week. Back in risk on mode across all major financial markets in here. We're seeing the dollar slightly weakening against many currencies. Dollar going down against Aussie, Kiwi, for example, in here. Also weakening against the yen. And we've seen equity averages in Europe, Asia, and in the US push back to the upper end of ranges. Ranges really that we've seen in here from at least the middle of April over the last 2 to 3 weeks in here. We've seen these ranges established. Markets having had really strong recoveries through March and then the early part of April, then going into these consolidation phases, but not really giving up any major support, and that leaves risk to the upside in here. So we had a strong end to the week last week, a strong beginning to the week this week. The macroeconomic backdrop to that is really the fact that coronavirus cases and deaths plateauing and falling in some places in Europe and also in some of the US states. And so some hopes there of then an anticipation of reopening the economy in some of the European nations in here, and that has all helped stock markets higher. And so we've seen in here a rebound from this 27.17 and a quarter level, having held above this 27.01, 26.98 and a half support. That we saw that rebound last week, and then an acceleration higher from 27.55 and a quarter at the end of last week, taking out resistances through 28.60.75 in here yesterday, just short of the recovery high here at 28.85 up to 28.81 and a quarter. And we do see upside risk going into today, potentially through the peak here at 28.85, and then looking for maybe higher targets up with a 29 big figure, maybe this week going up towards 29.84, 25, maybe even the psychological target over here at 3,000. So certainly looking for upside risk both short term today and for the balance of this week, for not just the S&P 500 here, but also for the major global equity indices. I'm going to wish you all a great trading day. Be safe out there, look after yourself and your loved ones, and I'll be back with you with another report for FX Explained very soon. Have a great trading day.